My name is Sulemana. This is my wife, Rahma. And this is our baby, Shakira. We are from Ghana. We came here with our problem. The problem was hole in the heart, or also known as Truncus Arteriosus. So we came to seek help from Fortis Hospital, and actually it was happening. As you can see, the baby is looking good, and we want to thank Dr. Deepak and the whole entire team, and we really appreciate what they have done for us. The hospital is a good hospital. We encourage everyone who has a similar problem or even different problem, thinking you can't get a cure. You have to try Fortis Hospital. It's the best hospital in India. And I tell you, even in Ghana, we don't have such hospital. And I entreat all my Ghanaian colleagues who have such problems to come to India to seek help. Sure, you will get help. And you will get health as well. We just have to say thank Dr. Deepak again. And also we thank Dr. Mahesh and Dr. Shyam. They have done a very good job. I would really appreciate whatever they have done. Thank you, and thank you so much. Thank you for Fortis Hospital. Thank you again, and thank you again for saving our baby life.